How you doing today, guys? EK Trader here. It is 11:58 a.m. 6/18/09. Just to show you guys what I'm looking at. Russell 2000 Index mini size futures. I'm looking to go long one contract on the break of this ascending triangle. Okay. Right here. To the right. I'm looking to go long at this break. One thing I've learned during trading is that ascending triangles are high probability patterns. So I have good reason to believe that this thing is gonna go up higher. Don't know how much higher. Let me see where the support, where the resistance is. I got some resistance here, so I'm thinking it'll turn around here. But we'll see. Or it might even turn around here. Not sure what level that is. Have to go back a little further. Okay, that's the top of this little congestion zone. So we'll see what happens. I wish I would have identified it earlier, because I would have, if that was the case, I probably would have tried to get in right here at this moving average and just try to take some points here just in case it didn't go all the way through. What I'm hoping is that there's not enough energy here yet, and that it retraces back down to maybe 505 and then take the trade there, maybe 505.08, 505.09. So I'm going to place my buy order there. Okay. Now I feel like if I can get in there, that would be a good price, and just try to take the ride up. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll keep you guys posted when the play catches and progresses. Thanks. How you doing, guys? EK Trader back here. My trade just caught. Let me pull up the okay. I'm in the trade now. I think I got a good price. It didn't dip into the negative at all. It basically just caught my price and went back up. So I think I got in right at the perfect moment. I'm looking at the time of sales, and I have it filtered to where it only shows me orders of 10 contracts or more. That way I don't, it's just a lot easier for me that way. And I'm noticing there's still a lot of shorting going on. I see 16 contracts there, 12 there, 13 there, 13 there, and a couple large orders of 10, large buy orders. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll let you guys take a look at what's going on as it develops, while I find me a good place to put my stop. How you doing, guys? EK Trader back here. It looked like it was just about to run here. It popped up for a second just before I unpause the video. Oh well, now it's melting back down, but no biggie. I still think it's gonna pop up. Oh well, nothing else to do, I guess, but just repause the video until this thing unfolds. Alright. Okay, guys, I'm back. Just wanted to show you guys something else I was noticing. There's a lot of buy orders coming in. Got 10, 15, 14, 11, 20 contracts. So that should definitely be good enough to propel this thing higher, because that's a lot of buy orders. Let's take a look at one other screen here. You notice here, this is a screen I look at every once in a while. This is an advanced decline screen, shows all the units, of the Russell 2000. Right now there's 803 units advancing, 676 units declining. The volume advancing is 130 million, 131 million. The volume declining is 200 million. And the money is there's 48 million advancing and 32 million declining. Now, with those particular stats, you can't really use this at all, okay? Because it's kind of giving you mixed signals, and that's the reason why the market the price range is moving so slowly. I mean, this tells it all right here, because what you want to see is all three of these lined up heavily in one direction. Like with the Russell 2000, I'd like to see, like, 1,700 units advancing, 300 declining, with 60 million advancing with only 8 million declining. You want to see a very lopsided view from the advanced decline, and that's kind of how you can judge the direction. Because when it's kind of mixed up like this, or too even, you really can't use this for analysis. There's more volume declining, but there's more money in advancing, stuff like that. It really just kind of makes it difficult to use. But like I said, it's good to use if you can see it lopsided in one direction or the other. And what I also notice is people say, you should follow the volume, but what I found is you really need to follow the money. Okay, sometimes it might be more volume in advancing or more volume in declining, but wherever the money is the most heaviest, that's usually where the market goes. With 49 million here and 32 million here, that's not really a big enough of a difference. But if you see it like really lopsided, like if this was 50 million and this was like 8 million, then you could just go long and sit back, because even though it might take a little time, at some point it'll most likely go up. That's just a little couple tidbits I just want to throw into this particular trade, just to give you guys a heads up on some different stuff I look at. Anyway, I'm gonna sit back again because this thing isn't moving yet, so I'm tempted to just take profits and leave it alone, but I still feel real strong it's gonna move up. So I'm gonna pause the video and keep you guys posted. Thanks. How you doing, guys? EK Trader again. Still in this ascending triangle play. I'm gonna go ahead and probably just close this thing out. Okay, I just went ahead and got rid of it. It just wasn't worth it to me anymore. I only lost about 10 bucks on it. Could it still possibly go higher? Yes. And actually, I kind of believe that it probably still will go higher, but at this point it's no longer worth the risk. I mean, I've made a couple bucks a day. It's not giving me the results as quickly as I'd like for this particular play, so I don't know. It's just one of those trader intuition things. It's just not worth the risk anymore. I appreciate you guys sticking in and watching it, but just so you know, normally I do have a lot of confidence in these plays, and ascending triangle is a great chart pattern to try to trade. But also, just looking at the time of day it is, it's 12:30. A lot of traders are already on lunch, so it's just a bad time for this setup. I mean, at 1 o'clock this thing might go to the moon, who knows? But like I said, it's not going to hang in there any longer. Anyway, that's just kind of what I was looking at and the reason why I did what I did. And thanks for watching the mixtape. Later.